How do businesses keep their operations running smoothly? It all comes down to the working capital. The working capital is the money a business uses for its daily operations, like paying employees or buying inventory. Here's the simple formula: working capital equals the company's current assets minus its current liabilities. Some current assets include cash, inventory, receivables, and prepaid expenses, while examples of current liabilities are short term loans, accounts payable, and taxes owed. The working capital is the key to keeping daily operations running smoothly and efficiently. A positive working capital indicates that a company has more current assets than liabilities, indicating it can cover its short term expenses, while a negative working capital signals that a company has more current liabilities than assets. It means the business might struggle to stay afloat. Thank you. I hope you learned something today. See you in the next video. Bye.